quick video about the front side of the equation sheet. Most of this is just about constants. You can see that in the whole top section up here. That's really all constants that you might need. Make sure you have the right units for the particular equation that you're using. Down here, it's the same thing. Again, constants. Some of these include like the atmospheric pressure, as you can see that down below. As you go farther down, right below it is just the symbol so that you're never confused about what units are. So when you see J, you know that it's joules, for example. Farther down on the left side, you'll see the prefixes. That just lets you know what factor goes in front. So again, if you're seeing micro coulombs, you know that means 10 to the minus 6 coulombs here. I think that's this example. You can figure all those out. Here, it's a value of trigonometric functions for common angles. I'll be honest, this one feels the least useful because you can have a calculator for the entire test, so you can always just plug in values for your calculator. But if somehow something goes terribly wrong, I suppose you could use those values as needed. And then this section down below here is really just listing a couple of the conventions. These are definitely ones you would not want to be figuring out on the test, so you can just look at them ahead of time. It's all things that we've talked about, but it's just like defining the sign convention for work going in when we did thermodynamic stuff. It's defining which direction current goes. It's talking about whether to treat things as ideal or whether to include the slight complication factors. So you can look at those and decide. That's the front sheet.